What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video here on my channel. Today the Aplic wireless keyboard for Mac devices. As you can see, it also says it's compatible with tablet, Mac, PC, laptop, smartphones and all kind of Bluetooth devices and operating systems iOS, Windows, Android. Well, I bought this from Amazon and it said it should be compatible with a Mac, and that's what I want to try on my Mac Mini today. So I would say let's get right into it after the intro. So the Aplic wireless keyboard comes in a pretty simple packaging. Nothing to it. Yeah, just seems that it comes from Germany. It has a German layout as well, and it requires, like you can see here, two 1.5 volts AAA batteries. So we will check that out in a second. I would say let's get it out of the packaging for now. So just open it here. Yeah, it comes in a simple case. Let's see what's inside. There's some manual and warranty cards. Yeah, for feedback. Let's put the packaging aside. Let's put the manual aside. I guess we don't need that. Let's see. Okay. Battery pack is open. So that's how it looks like. So we can see it's a classic Mac layout with the command keys here, the option keys, control keys, a Bluetooth button, and here we see we have a function key and we can change between iOS, Android, Windows and so on. So I guess we will find out how that works on a Mac. Let's have a quick look. So as I said, it's not much to it. Like you can see little aluminum looking knobs here. It looks pretty much like the Apple Magic keyboard, I would say. Yeah, and this was open already, so I would say we get two batteries. So we have two batteries here. Yes, that's how we have to put them in, like this and like that. All right. Yeah, it pretty much doesn't really snap in. Look, it feels a bit cheap, I have to say, this battery case. Let's see, I can open it without. Yeah, that's a bit disappointing, to be honest, but yeah. Alright, so to establish a Bluetooth connection, I guess we're required to push the function key and then see if it's available on our Mac. And I opened the Bluetooth settings here on my Mac Mini already, and we can see the Aplic 303266 shows up here in the Bluetooth settings. So I just hit connect for now and it's connected. It already says connected here on the Mac as well. So let's see if there's something else we can see. If we click on Bluetooth here, we see the keyboard. We don't see any battery status or something like that, so I guess that's it for now. And I would say let's jump into a Word document and see how the writing feels. Hello, this is a test of the Aplic keyboard with German keyboard layout. Alright, feels good so far, so I can't say anything against it. Let's see if those buttons work as well. Okay, we can search here. The escape key works as well. I hit escape, yeah, that seems to work as well. So everything looks like it's working as it's supposed to. Yeah, so far I can't say anything bad about it. The connection seems to be stable. I mean, obviously your computer or Mac is not too far away from your keyboard, I guess. Mine is like, I would say, half a meter or like 2 feet away of this. It's a pretty decent priced keyboard for 15 bucks, so around 14 euros or 12 pounds, I guess, something like that in the UK. Looks good so far. The only thing is it feels a bit cheap, and as I showed before, yeah, the closing of the battery compartment here is not that great, but yeah, I guess for the price can live with it. Could send it back to Amazon, but for now I will just test it. Let's see how it works, and for now I would say that's it for the unboxing and the first look of this keyboard. The keys feel good, as I said, it's not that bad. I mean, you can't compare it to a higher priced keyboard, but I would say nothing speaks against it for this price point. And if I find something weird, I will post a comment and let you guys know what I think about the keyboard. Maybe do a follow-up video. For now, thanks everyone for watching. If you liked what you've seen, hit the subscribe and bell button to get notified about all my upcoming videos here on my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.